In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a sheet in Smartsheet. Whether you're handing over a project to a colleague or simply organizing your documents, changing sheet ownership is a task you might encounter. It's important to ensure a smooth transition while maintaining the integrity and security of your data. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, it's crucial to address permissions before you proceed with changing ownership. The individual who you plan to transfer ownership to must have the appropriate access rights. Specifically, they need to have admin access on the sheet. If this sheet is part of a larger workspace, they must also have admin access to that workspace. This is vital because without the correct permissions, the system won't allow the transfer to happen. It's always a good idea to double-check these settings to prevent any last-minute errors or frustrations. Make sure everything is set up correctly to ensure a seamless transition. Once you've verified that permissions are correctly assigned, you can move on to the next step, which involves using the Share menu. To begin, open the desired sheet within Smartsheet. Look for the Share button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a menu that displays a list of individuals who currently have access to the sheet. In this list, locate the user to whom you want to transfer ownership. Now, here's a little trick. Hover your mouse over the permission settings next to their name. You should see a drop-down menu appear, providing you with several options. From this drop-down, there's a key selection you need to make. Find and select the option labeled Make Owner. What this effectively does is initiate the transition, earmarking this individual as the new owner of the sheet. However, there's one more step that often catches people off guard. You need to confirm this action. A prompt will appear asking if you are sure about transferring ownership. This is a good practice, ensuring that accidental ownership changes are avoided. Simply confirm your choice, and you've successfully transferred ownership of the sheet. Remember, making someone the new owner transfers all responsibilities related to the sheet, including sharing permissions and integrations. It's crucial to communicate with the person you're transferring ownership to so they're fully prepared and aware of their new responsibilities. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to changing sheet ownership in Smartsheet. Whether it's for project continuity or administrative purposes, knowing these steps ensures you handle document transitions efficiently and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.